Interactive textbooks are a project we've been working on to help reduce the barrier to teaching data science and collaborating around data projects for the region, as well as different academic institutions. One way this is helpful is if you open up a regular textbook, you can't execute any of the code there. You can't see what the results are, and you can't manipulate and change them. In this case, it allows for faculty as well as students to create content where you can write written words, essentially like a Google Doc, as well as code in the same web browser, so that way if you share it with your students or share it with your friends and colleagues, they can execute it right there and see your words about what was actually going on, view the pictures and images, and also change the data themselves and use that as a template for doing new work or new research or new classroom instruction. One of the benefits of this is that after a certain period of time, if you want to include modules, for instance, in an art history class or in a physics class that incorporates data, but you want to do it in a short amount of time, it would require downloading the same software to every student's computer. They are having the same background things, dependencies also downloaded at the same time in order to run that code without getting an error. This interactive textbook would also allow for quick access through the web to content that then everyone in a course or in a class or in a study group could immediately work with and change and run on their own, and without having to have the exact same computer setup and having to spend the time to do that. So we're going to pilot it as part of this program, as part of the workshops that are happening today, and also invite you to seek out the JupyterHub representative to give your feedback on how you might use it, what you would like about it, and whether this is a resource that you see as something valuable for yourself or for your institution. Thank you.